In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the copy with your HP DeskJet 4278 all-in-one printer. For doing copy of multiple pages, we can use the ADF tray on the top. So let's place the pages here. Should be facing up. And now go to the printer control panel. Click on the copy button and just wait for the printer to print. Automatically it will copy and print. And we can copy up to 35 pages using the ADF tray. So once we place there, automatically it will copy all the pages from one side. Thanks for watching.